Once in a while, I see ads from gurus that pose the question, if no one sees your videos, what good are they? Which is like telling a child to eat his carrots, or his mother won't love him. This is called steamroller marketing, and a lot of people go this way by default. But it doesn't solve the problem that got them to that point of discomfort in the first place. In a moment, the true meaning of publish or perish. When I was at the university, there was a big emphasis on publishing. I didn't get it. No one ever wrote anything that anyone outside their peer group read, but publishing was healthy for their careers. It was the only way to advance from assistant professor to associate to full professor to department chair and so on. But no one ever thought, oh boy, as soon as I publish this paper on the symbiosis of metagenic linguistics and derivative polytheistic culture systems, I'm going to be rich, baby. No, that's just not the way it works for them. And no matter what the gurus say, that's not how it works for us either. Welcome to the Visible Authority, where the pursuit of excellence generates its own rewards. What I mean is that we don't publish to get customers, although that is the byproduct. The reasons we publish are more important to who we are as human beings who happen to be business owners. One, it makes us better at what we do. It forces us to think all the time about the problems our potential clients are having and address them in everything we say and do on their behalf. Two, it makes us think of new ways to explain how our work affects their world. And three, well, I think some people look at what we do and think, oh, I could never do that, or, oh, I'll think about that tomorrow. And there is no better way to trash your day than to start thinking about it. So, publishing changes us from a dreamer to a doer in one simple, elegant step. And while I don't know if it gets easier, the habit of it sure does make it way less stressful and so much faster. So, well, I guess in a way that is easier. And making that decision, despite your fears of being visible, well, that has far-reaching effects. And those are just the benefits to you as a human being. There are also benefits to you as the face of your company. Consistent publishing builds trust that when you say what you say, you actually mean it. When you reach out to people, they respond. And sales conversations never take on a win-lose character, but are just unstressful ways of advancing your client to the level they were hoping for. It also means that you don't need to get thousands of views for any one video. You aren't fueled by advertisers looking for ratings. You're paid by people trying to solve problems. You don't need thousands of people to make a sale. This isn't mass marketing. They will find you. All it takes is one person seeing that video to make a significant change in everyone's life. And you can only work with X number of people at a time anyway. So no, this isn't quick and easy love and money. It is deep love and magic money, though, which is the only direct byproduct of the service of publishing. And it doesn't have to be a video series. It can be email, blog posts, podcasts, live streams, or whatever comes next. The point is to do it for yourself. Do it as a commitment to excellence. Do it in the understanding that client attraction happens as a byproduct of a client's search for answers. When we don't get the right answers, it's because we aren't asking the right questions. So here's a question I hope will help. If you aren't doing this yet, what's the story that's been holding you back from publishing? And what is the cost?